For question 6, part B, we need to use COUNTIF, average if, and SUMIF to determine the following values for female and male account customers. Okay, so the first part is the number of customers. So we need to go to data, and we need to use the male and female customers, the gender column, and then you control shift down, copy this, and bring it to question 7 or question 6, and we bring it here, paste it with the values, and then name it in the top left gender, enter it. Now plug in the COUNTIF formula, so equals COUNTIF, then you put a parentheses, and the range is the gender, which we just typed out, and then we would put female since it's on the female column, so we would put B17 here, so B17, close it with a parentheses, and get that one. And then for the male, we do the same thing. We can just copy this and paste it, and this one will be D17. So then we now need to get the average annual income. So we need to go back to data, and we need to go to average annual income, and we control shift down, copy this data, we go back to question 6, put it in the next column over, paste it with the values, and we name this one income. Enter that, and then we put the average if instead of COUNTIF formula, and we put the parentheses, and the range will be income. Then the criteria will be B17. And then we put in parentheses, click enter. So for this, we actually need another criteria, and the range would be actually, we would start off with gender, and then we would put in the income at the end. And we enter it, and we get 71,000. So let's just check this really quick. For 6, so 71,000, so that's correct. Okay. Then we copy this work and we put it into the male cell. And then it will automatically use the male cell. And now we need to do the SUMIF for the quarterly sales. So we need to go to data, and then we got to go to quarterly sales, control shift down, copy the data from quarterly sales. We go to question 6. So we want to move. So for a second, my computer glitched on when I was copying it. So let me copy it again. And we go back to question 6, and we put it in this column right here. Paste it with the values, and it's a little different. Okay, that's fine. And we name this one sales, and enter it. Now we need to put in the formula SUMIF. put the parentheses, and we start with the range again of gender, and then the criteria is um, B17, and then the range would be, well, sales, and we close it with that, and then we get 437. Let's double check it. Okay, that's correct. So then we need to copy this and paste it into the males cell. Okay, so we got that, and over total quarterly sales is just the male and the female added together. So we would click the cell, then we put the plus symbol, and then we would click the male cell, and then we would click enter. So that is how you do question 6 part B.